guys, welcome back to my channel. And yep, as you can see, I changed the bench or table. This time it's actually a Husky Toolbox, which I purchased off of my friend, and it's a way nicer surface, and I don't have to worry about a lot of things. Plus it holds all my tools instead of me keep going over there to that one. So I'll be moving all that tools over here, and all of it will be easy to grab. And I haven't set it up yet, but I would like to actually ask, what do you guys use for organizing all this? I'm still working on that. You know, it's just something to think about. Also, this is my, of course, Harbor Freight. I know this is not a fancy toolbox, expensive stuff, and I know also that it's not a Harbor Freight one. But hey, I got it cheaper, so I was like, yeah, why not? And everything works. I like it. Like I said, I just want to ask, what are you guys using for organizers so you can put your stuff there? I was thinking about shadowing and putting the mats and all that, but yeah, let me know what you guys using and what do you guys think about it. From now on, this is where most of my videos will be filmed on, reviews and repairs. So this is way nicer surface, cleaner, and I was thinking about actually putting a aluminum sheet of aluminum over it, so it's actually stays it doesn't leave stains and all that. So yeah, I'm thinking about doing that. And yeah, that's just a review of this new table that I got. Toolbox as well. It works perfectly. It's a really nice thing to have. You can lock your tools and all that. And right now I get, because it's a little bit higher than the previous one, I have to figure out to get a little bit higher chair as well. But other than that, let me know what you guys are using. Of course, majority of people will probably go for cheaper option, and I know that a lot of people use Snap-on and all that. I was never a fan of that. It's too expensive for me, at least. I can't afford that. So yeah, just wanted to show you that. Hopefully you guys have some comments regarding the tool organizer. I've been looking for a few of them, and just want to know what you guys using, and what should I go with. Anyway, of course, if you're new to this channel, make sure you subscribe, like it, share, put the questions down below if you have some, and yeah, stay safe. I'll see you guys next time. Laters.